Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're heading to Spanglish near downtown Traverse City. Located at Building 50, this Mexican restaurant offers a wide variety of tamales, burritos, fresh chips and salsa, and we're going to head in and check it out. At Spanglish in Traverse City, you can enjoy convenient takeout and quick service options that bring their Mexican cuisine to your home or on the go. For takeout, you can place your order online or by phone, choosing from their full menu. The staff at Spanglish carefully packages every order to maintain the quality. One of our favorites is the guacamole, made fresh with ripe avocados, lime, and a hint of spice. It is perfect. If you're enjoying this food review, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next Traverse City Guide. It goes a long way for the channel and we really appreciate it. For our meal, we split the beef barbacoa Big Daddy burrito with beans, rice, shredded cabbage, feta, salsa verde, cilantro, and white onion. This barbacoa burrito at Spanglish is our favorite. It is flavorful and a satisfying dish. The tender and slow-cooked barbacoa beef, known for its rich and savory taste, was perfect. This is complemented by the fluffy rice and fresh cilantro, adding a light and aromatic touch. Also, the crisp shredded cabbage provided a nice crunch. The burrito also has tangy salsa verde that brought a medium heat with a vibrant flavor. We really enjoy getting this. To go along with our Big Daddy burrito, we got their scratch chips and guacamole, which were crispy tortillas with made-to-order guacamole. So guacamole is a standout appetizer, along with the chips that are made in-house and are golden and perfectly crispy. They provide a satisfying crunch that pairs wonderfully with the smooth guacamole. Spanglish is conveniently located at Building 50 right downtown, and it is a great place to visit with your friends and family. They have awesome outside seating, a quaint inside seating, and you can also take your food to go for a nice picnic in the park. We really enjoy going to Spanglish because they have a wide variety of menu items and everything is made fresh to order. Alright, we're just wrapping up our meal at Spanglish here in downtown Traverse City. It was really great. The beef was tender, the chips were very crispy, and that fresh guacamole was to die for. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. Until next time, I'm Justin.